Hi, I have been looking for a new electric griddle for breakfast and did a little bit of research and I settled on this one and I wanted to tell you about it. It has a granite surface and I am going to show you, I've used it to make breakfast this morning, so I'll show you a couple of the features using this, but I like that it's granite and not Teflon. I wanted to try the granite type instead and I really like it. So let me show you the different features as I make breakfast. Okay, plugging it in to get it started heating. I turned it to 350, but it does go all the way to 400 and it heated up very, very fast. Has this little hole in the middle to collect grease and bits of food, which is really nice with that tray. I was able to get twice the amount of eggs on this skillet than doing just like a frying pan. So that really helped speed up. And here's how many eggs I got on there. The true test is flipping the eggs. And so it was very much non-stick. This is gonna save me a lot of time on the weekends when I make breakfast.